Go to any web browser that you have. I use Chrome. Type youtube.com, then click OK, or the arrow there, down there. You'll click on the three dots, then you'll change your Android to desktop site. You'll go ahead and click on your profile. It's going to show up there. Click on that picture, then click on your channel. Click on customize channel. Then on your left, you will click the second tab. Is it a tab? The second one that shows videos. Yeah. It will bring all your videos and you'll be able to see on which videos you have been copyrighted. Yeah. You can see the last video that I uploaded, I've been copyrighted. So you'll go ahead and click on the video that you've been copyrighted in. Then you come down here, you click on copyright claim. You'll see details. You click on it. You click on see details. Then you can see the red strike. I've been copyrighted in the whole video. So you'll have to select a song to replace it. Come on select action, then you'll see replace song. Click on replace song. It's going to bring you the music. Everything is there. You can go to audio library. It has so many music there, songs there. So for me, I'm just going to choose randomly. And another thing, yeah, you can see the red strike. Another thing, you're supposed to choose on to look on the minutes of your video and the minutes of a song you want to choose. It's very important. I'm just going to select randomly. You can listen to the song. When you think it suits you, you replace it with the one you've been copyrighted on. So I'll go ahead and add that music. You can see it has automatically replaced the song that I have been copyrighted on. You will go ahead and click save. I won't click save because I have not chose the right music for that I want for my video. So that's all, guys. If you get a copyright strike, please don't panic. It's so easy to replace it.